Urinary incontinence is a common problem among women. 1 in 3 women experience it. And that can be urinary incontinence, urinary frequency, bowel incontinence. I think the biggest problem with incontinence is that women don't feel comfortable to talk about it. It's really important to talk to your doctor if you have these issues. This is a condition. It's not a normal state of being. It really does have a huge impact on quality of lives. There are so many treatment options for someone who's struggling with bladder control problems. Behavioral modification, working with pelvic floor therapists if needed. Medications can be helpful. Surgical options are certainly available. Nerve modulation, all sorts of treatments. It really depends on what the patient is struggling with, how does she present, and then we can help work to make a plan that works for her.